Welcome to our Law of Attraction guided meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and let's begin by taking a few deep breaths in and out. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. As you relax, visualize your goals and desires. See them clearly in your mind's eye. Imagine yourself already living the life you want, feeling the joy, abundance, and success. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with achieving your dreams. Feel the gratitude for the manifestation of your desires as if it has already happened. Repeat positive affirmations silently or out loud. Affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance, I attract positivity into my life, and I am manifesting my dreams effortlessly. As you continue to breathe deeply and stay relaxed, imagine a bright light surrounding you, radiating positivity and attracting your desires towards you. As this meditation comes to an end, carry this feeling of positivity and manifestation with you. Trust that the universe is working in your favor to bring your desires into reality. Thank you for joining this Law of Attraction guided meditation. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Have a wonderful, fulfilling day ahead.